The latest batch of leaked iPhone 17 dummy units appear to show where glass meets metal. On the new design's new iPhone 17 dummy units have appeared online. They show the glass and metal outlines for the Pro and Pro Max. A substantial redesign is expected for the top two models. The season of iPhone 17 leaks and rumors is well and truly underway, and just days after dummy units of Apple's 2025 flagship phones leaked online, we've got a different batch to pour over, which shows the iPhone 17 glass and metal redesign in a bit more detail. These new dummy unit images come courtesy of well-known tipster at Sunny Dixon, and it looks as though we've got all four models: the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, or iPhone 17 Ultra perhaps. Dummy units like the ones shown here are based on schematics sourced from the supply chain and give accessory makers a chance to get their products ready for launch day. They also allow the rest of us to check out phone designs in advance. When it comes to the redesign of the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, with chunky rear camera bars, it's a look that's been extensively leaked already. We can also see the smaller camera bar expected to appear on the back of the iPhone 17 Air. What these dummy units add that previous leaks haven't really shown us is the way that glass and metal will be combined on these iPhone designs. You can see a faint outline on the Pro and Pro Max models, just below the camera bar. That outlined section will apparently be glass, enabling wireless MagSafe charging. The other section is rumored to be made of aluminum. That's quite a change from the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Meanwhile, it looks like the design of the iPhone 17 will be along very similar lines to the iPhone 16, while the iPhone 17 Air is a brand new phone, replacing the iPhone 16 Plus, rumored to be super slim, so we don't have any predecessor to compare it to. We've also heard rumors of memory and camera upgrades for these phones, improvements in video recording, and perhaps a useful reverse wireless charging feature. The phones should make their debuts sometime in September, and we'll need to wait until then to see what actually comes to fruition when Apple fully unveils them.